Good evening, guys. My name is Jesus Yanes. I'll be presenting Mix It Up. Mix It Up is an animated filtering and sorting plugin. I chose to introduce jQuery plugin, which is Mix It Up. It's a library. I've actually used this in a few of my projects here at Full Sail throughout this year. It's small and powerful, easy to learn, and it allows me to create complex data visualization. Mix It Up is also a very active project with a large community following. In my presentation, I will touch briefly on many features in Mix It Up and how to get started. I also showed a proof of concept example outlining how easy Mix It Up it is to use. I recommend everybody to give it a try. In your next project, the API specifications is where it really shines. In custom applications, I'm able to filter and sort datasets in real time. I'm able to create custom controls to match applications UI and interact with remote datasets. So I'm going to give you a little short presentation on what Mix It Up is. It features learn what Mix It Up can do for you. It filters, sorts elements with CSS3 optimized animations. So you can do a lot with this in terms of animation. You can build on top of your existing responsive layouts in media queries. So if you use a lot of responsive layouts, this can build on top of that very easily. It's very simple. You'll see in my example how simple it is. It controls filtering and sorting via a simple clickable interface or build more complex custom UI via an extensive API. You can customize animations with CSS3 transforms and easing as well. It removes elements in real time via an Ajax-friendly API. Performs simultaneously, filters, sorts, and layouts changes and operations. And again, all of this I'll show you in a bit from the example I've created. You can browser support. Mix It Up works in all browsers pretty much. Functional in desktop like Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. It's fully functional in iOS and Android browsers as well. It's functional in IE8 with animations disabled, and it's fully functional in Explorer 10 Plus. So let's get started. Mix It Up. It's a 4 easy step project. First, you're going to build your content. Second, you're going to build your control. Third, you're going to hide target elements. And 4, you're going to mix it up. Why Mix It Up? Mix It Up is great for managing any categorized order of content. Mix It Up is also a powerful tool for engaging application UI and data visualization. So let's take a look at the example I created for Mix It Up. It's very simple. I just created here different types of boxes which can represent anything in a website from images to videos and whatnot. I gave them color coordination to each one just to distinguish the difference and just so you can see how Mix It Up works. So right now we have them from 1 to 12 descending in different colors. So if you were to hit the pomegranate color, which is the reddish color here, you'll see it will sort only the red ones, and you see how nice it was, this transition from one to another. It's very smooth, very professional, very nice. If you were to choose the wisteria, it's more like a purple color. Again, it draws out the pomegranate, brings out the wisteria. If you were to hit none, obviously everything will disappear. You see how nice the transition in and the transition out is. It looks wonderful when it's live in a very responsive web page. If you were to click random, obviously you have to have your filters. If you were to click random, it'll just randomly reorder everything. You see how nice it has a pattern to it and how nice it brings out and it comes back in ascending, just like I've had them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way to 12, or you can do them descending 12 to 1. Again, you see how nice transition is. I mean, it's very smooth, it's very nice, it's very easy. I'm going to show you right here in my index as this is my actual and index HTML for my example. If we look at the JS query, it is very simple. You have a function, open up your brackets, and you have your content dot mix it up. Very simple. Close your brackets, and everything else, as you can see, you can place here, which I have an ID of controls, and here I have all of my boxes and my filters. Well, I'm sorry, this is my menu here for all the pomegranate, wisteria, none. So I just created some data filters there for the buttons, as well as I did a data sort for the random ascend and descend buttons. And here you can see the content, which is again back in your JS. You have your contents, you have a hash right there, which is calling everything that's within the contents ID. And right here you have your different colors, different numbers, and again your data source sorting. So again, it is very simple. You saw how easy, how simple, how short is the code to make it very interactive in a responsive website. They also have a lot of examples, documentation. If you were to go to the MixItUp webpage, it really helps you out. You can do a lot of animation, callbacks, controls, layouts. So I mean, if you were to go here and just read over, you can see how easy it is to use MixItUp in any of your projects. Again, from configuration, using APIs, states, objects, and events, your different, again, container, which is what I was using right here. As you can see, you can create and whatever the content or whatever your control will be, you can add it here, dot mix it up, will be in brackets. And then right here, you would add whatever you're going to be working for. So as you can see here, there's different stuff from animation to enable it, effects. If you were to read over this, I mean, it's very simple. As you can see, the code is minimal, and when you come and see it live, it just brings out the presentation. I mean, it's very smooth transition in and out. So again, I just advise everybody to go ahead and take a look at it, give it a try on one of your next projects. If you guys have any questions, you know how to, you can reach me. Again, it's a pleasure. Good luck to everybody. I'm sorry for my boys. Me and my family have been sick this whole week, so I'm sorry. Hopefully everybody can understand my video. Again, good evening. My name is Jesus Yanes, and I hope you guys have a good day.